Fairmate, an Indian multinational company, is one of India's top manufacturers of construction chemicals, providing cost-effective solutions and world-class services to customers across the globe. Fairmate introduces SETRELEASE RU. It is a specially formulated blend of mineral oils and chemicals, supplied as a pale straw-colored, ready-to-use liquid having release properties which are superior to those of conventional mold oil. SETRELEASE RU is used to provide quick, clean and easy stripping of molds and formwork. Also ensures high-quality, fair-faced and stain-free concrete surface. Advantages of SETRELEASE RU: ensures good fair-faced concrete and used with steam curing. Can be used on all type of formwork. Minimizes cleaning of shutters before reuse. Reduces the incidence of air pocket and tendency of surface spalling of corners. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.